Introducing Manufacturing Throughput as a Service.
I've been going to the gym for years, using the same elliptical machine, watching the same TV show, and getting the same results. I finally hired a personal trainer. They put me on all different types of apparatus, and I was able to use new technology to get much better results faster than I could on my own. It's a little bit of the thinking that we put into Manufacturing Throughput as a Service. Think of Dell as providing you the most modern and secure technology infrastructure. Think of PTC as providing you off-the-shelf software that can release value back into your systems and make your people more effective. And then think about EY as that personal trainer. They've got the expertise to orchestrate all of the elements that you're needing to get to the financial results you're looking for, and they'll help you count the debits and the credits to prove that ROI.